It was a very beautiful winter weekend, but work kept me indoors for almost the entire 2 days. I was desperate to get out and go for a drive, so I decided to drive down to Dibbe Ghat and Mastani Lake. This place is on the way to Saswad. This is a small ghat which one has to cross on the way to reach Saswad. This is one of the offbeat places in Pune, so this place is really less crowded. We went almost 15 to 20 minutes stopping at various points on Ghat for some photos and videos. Well, once you reach the top of the Ghat, park your vehicle and enjoy the gigantic view. You can also see as far as the Legao from this location. Looking down the valley, you can see also the Mastani Lake. On the top of the ghat, it was really very chilling cold and windy. So I decided to have a cup of masala chai and enjoy this fantastic and mesmerizing view from this ghat. After enjoying this fantastic view from Dibbe Ghat, now I am going down the hill towards Mastani Lake. Mastani Lake or Mastani Talab is an eye catcher in the Dibbe Ghat valley. As you go along the winding routes of the ghat, the Mastani Lake in the valley will give you company. The place has unique historical touch. The lake was constructed by the famous Peshwar Bajirao for his mistress. This lake was built to solve the problem as there was lot of scarcity of water in the village. It is one of the most beautiful places during monsoon and winters as it is full of water and best time to visit. There are various channels through this lake through which the farmers nearby get water. Mastani Lake is also best for camping near Pune. Moreover, you can pack your picnic lunch with you and have there. This is the tunnel which is connected to Shaniwar Vada where Bajirao used to stay with his wife. But through this tunnel only Bajirao used to come to meet Mastani at Mastani Lake. Isn't it really interesting? Well, there is also a beautiful cafe at Mastani Lake. This is known as Brothers Cafe. There you get all kinds of breakfast and snack items. Well, this cafe is really well maintained and have used so lovely popping colors. Well, I feel the popping colors are the USP of the cafe. After spending 45 minutes at this beautiful lake, it's time to say goodbye now. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. Do like, share and comment below your favorite part. It will really motivate me. And thank you so much for watching today's video.